Let's go.
Hey, hold on. Let's do this. Let's do this. Barrel's touching the thingy.
Hey, don't fire till 3 seconds.
Yeah, that too.
Game starts in 3,
3 seconds.
1, go! 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I got the Sally. And I'm gonna keep watching it.
Ready? Go. Here, check this corner. Since you got a pistol. He's across the field.
Is that all?
I don't know.
Quiet.
Two across the field.
Copy. I could have shot him, but I didn't know if he was my teammate or not.
Yeah, he's against this.
Did I get you?
Are you hit?
Are you hit?
Got it. Is he hit?
Okay, he's hit.
He's across the field. Oh, that's just us.
It's just us against one, right?
Yeah. We can take this guy. Let's see where he's at.
It
Works all the time.
works all the time, doesn't it?
I saw that in the movie. Yeah, he knows where you are. I mean,
Yeah.
Hi! Tactical jump. Rush! 1v1, mano. Hit!
Ooh, pressure side.
Oh.
Teammate. That was your teammate, dude.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah. He's
Fuck,
there.
man.
You killed him.
You killed me. Fuck.
Oh!
But the comeback was real and he got him. Wait, did you get shot?
Huh?
Did you get shot?
You did.
You didn't? By him.
Nah.
Fuck!
I was gonna say something, but I'm like,